next one is ecological anthropology. Amos was the first person to coin the term human ecology. According to him, human beings are more culturally adapted than biologically. Julian Stewart coined the term cultural ecology. He was the first person to describe biological adaptations and cultural adaptation. According to Andrew Vaida, both biological and cultural adaptations are in response to environment. According to him, all human beings are well adapted to their environments. Ecological anthropology is a scientific discipline which has an interdisciplinary and integrated approach which studies biocultural adaptations of human beings. It studies both biological adaptations and cultural adaptations. It also helps to study physiological responses of human beings to various environmental stress. It also helps us to study the genetic and non-genetic factors behind biosociocultural adaptation. Certain biological limitations in human beings were overcome by cultural adaptations. For example, we don't have a lot of hair on our body, so living in cold climatic conditions is difficult. So people started living in igloos. So this is a cultural adaptation. You get me? Likewise, several cultural adaptations are there. Put the side heading ecological rules or some ecological rules. So first we will see Allen's rule. See, Allen's rule was given by Joel Allen, and Bergman's rule was given by Christian Bergman. And here Hess's rule is an extension of Bergman's rule. Both Allen's rule and Bergman's rule talks about the mechanism of conservation of heat and heat loss, particularly of those animals living in hot and cold climatic conditions. Say for example, animals living in cold climatic conditions should lose heat slow so that they can survive, and animals living in hot climatic conditions should lose heat faster so that they can survive. And these rules are applicable only to endothermic animals, those animals which tend to maintain a constant body temperature. That means homeothermic animals. So these rules are trying to explain the mechanism of heat loss and heat conservation in endothermic animals. Human beings are also endothermic and homeothermic animals. So this is it.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022, Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022, Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.